Got our tires chalked, jacks. Get you the ramps going here. Okay, we're chalked up. Ah, yeah. You don't have any more chalk blocks in the truck, do you?
No.
I think we're good. I just have a...
Maybe you want to step on the brake.
Yeah. Then I can't get it on video.
I think that, oh, you didn't get whatever.
Yeah. Okay. The trailer brakes, yeah, because the truck and emergency brake is on.
Oh, so when that happens, the trailer brakes come on.
I believe so. Yeah. Wait, you know, I just had an idea. I should move the chocks on the truck to the front tires, just because those are the ones that will stay on the ground for sure, right, instead of the back tires.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna matter, but better safe than sorry. Just better safe than sorry here. This way. Lower if the back tires come off the ground. Ramp over?
Yeah. That's probably not going to work. Have to put, well, let's see if I lift.
The other tire's coming up.
Yeah.
I can move it for you though.
Back once I get up.
Yeah. There you go. Cool. Looking good? All good. Maybe another inch or 2 inches. Let's see right there. Okay, another inch, a little bit forward. Straight across, straight in front of you. And if you can, rest it on the blade. If you lower your blade, then you can rest the tip of it on there. Yeah, another inch just so we can close the door. Right there. That's perfect. You know, they wanted $400 to ship this from, I think
So
they're
you
out of
brought it with
Pennsylvania.
you?
Yeah.
Fucking A.
It paid for my flight, you know?
Hell yes.
And I got this nifty bag at Harbor Freight for 10 bucks.
I see it.
Chain bag. Harbor
So where did you
Freight.
get those binders? At Harbor Freight?
No, these were shipped out of
Pennsylvania.
yeah, where the guy manufactures them. I think it says
Yeah.
symbol. But anyway, that's fun.
Yeah.
So I got this ready, and then we should just lock them in.
Yeah. That screw gun was worth its weight in gold. The other day I went and got compost, and they loaded me too much on one side, and it bent the board out, and it hit the tire.
Your sideboard?
Sideboard.
Oh yeah.
Because my tires were already had no clearance. So I'm driving down the highway, and I come stop at Honda, you know, on Leilani Street, and I smell smoke, you know, tire smoke. It's not me.
Yeah.
So I turn the corner and I get down by Pono's, gone through the intersection at the airport. I look in the right mirror and the smoke is just, the tire's on fire.
You're burning rubber.
Oh shit,
Yeah.
man. So I pulled over, I looked at it, I ripped the fender off trying to get some clearance. That wasn't working too good, but a little bit. So I thought, well, I'll go over there by the fairgrounds where the monkey pod trees are, because right there I could go at Carpet Isle, turn left.
Yep.
And so I went down by the monkey pods, pulled under there. I thought, well, I'm gonna have to dig all that shit out on that side to get that board over. I started looking at it and doing it, and I thought, you know what? Why don't you just
Come along.
No.
Oh.
I just jacked it up, took the tire off, and turned it around, put it back on.
Oh, where you have the
2
clearance,
inch.
like a tractor.
Yeah.
Good thinking.
Yeah.
Wow, I would have not
And
thought of that.
What made me think of it is a screw gun, because I have an impact gun. Zip, 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 put it back on. I was on.
Easy. Wow.
God,
I'll have to remember that. I would have never thought to switch the tire.
Yeah. Well, sometimes they won't. They won't.
Like this one won't rotate, will it?
It probably will. Yeah, you could. I mean, the thing is the bevels aren't the same, but the thing is you can get it on and it'll be straight.
Right.
Because they center themselves. But anyway, it worked. I had a rattle in this thing, and I'm going, what the fuck is happening? So I looked inside, looked like the fan belt was loose, so I was going to tighten the fan belt. So I put the alternator with the adjustment nut.
Yeah.
The fucking alternator fell off. The bolt that was holding the alternator on the frame was missing.
Oh wow, so it was just tied into the belt.
It was just tied into the adjustment screw.
Oh wow, on the thing.
Yeah, on the arm.
Wow. Just hanging on.
Barely holding on. And so I looked for the bolt, but couldn't find the bolt, so I just went and looked in my car. Sure shit, I had a bolt. And that was all.
So you fixed it already with your own bolt?
Oh yeah, with my own bolt. I put it was too long, but I added a couple of washers and I was able to make it. So let's stop that.
So it was like an engine rattle.
Yeah, so to stop the engine rattle thing. Fuck that shit. You'll tear the trailer apart before they got it.
Yeah, there came almost a book came with those binders saying you need to keep your drill on a low clutch because you'll pull the D-rings right out of the trailer.
So you're out of quarantine yet?
No.
Did they come yesterday?
No.
Oh.
I'm a little scared.
Oh, let's get going.
Yeah.
And get back.
Haley just not gonna answer.
Yeah.
Like if somebody comes and
she's gonna call it. Oh, yeah.
But that's gonna put me on to a high alert or something.
Yeah.
So I'll get back.
Let's go. Don't fuck around. Let's get with it. Watch out for coffers, you know.
For cops?
Coffers.
What is that?
I'm coughing.
Oh yeah.
The fucking fern dust has got me.
It's the time of the year.
No, fern dust. Whenever you do that looping, it really dust.
do a loop.
Boys and their toys.
Yeah. What was cool is this was the same cost, 90 bucks, same cost as the other one. It was just the shipping that was.
Yeah, it was
killing me.
outrageous, huh?
Okay. First try. Make sure we're recording this here. My YouTube is growing.
Probably put some grease on there.
Yep, I did.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, now go do the other one. Yeah, do the other one first. Did you do it already? No.
That one's tied in. I just have to tighten this all the way down, but I might have need to go tighter.
That's pretty good.
Still.
There it goes. Not going anywhere. Yeah, it's tightening all the way. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Get out of here.
Yep.
Now, you don't have a door, so you want to put these inside.
Yeah, I'll put that.
Here.
How do you like the tires on there?
Huh?
How do you like the tires on there?
I did. No slipping.
Yeah.
When I'm on that, no slipping.
Yeah. I definitely know I know that feeling. That's the worst part of the thing, feeling like you're gonna slip off the ramp.
Is this the first time you've gone down the hill here?
With weight.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So my plan, I'm in 4-wheel low right now. And I was gonna stay, well, I could come out now, but I need to go 4-wheel low to climb up after the river and the bridge.
Yeah. Well, you might need 4-wheel low going down that hill, I'm thinking. Oh, you got trailer brakes, I forget.
Yeah. And I drop down into second low gear, you know.
Yeah, so you go slow.
Make sure I go
Because
slow.
that fucker gets loose.
What happened to this?
I broke it out.
Oh,
Everything. The top one too.
how?
Russell's.
And
I took a branch in it.
but you already replaced it?
Yeah, that's plexiglass.
Nice.
Yeah, they
work.
wanted $300 for that window, $200 for this window, plus shipping. It was over $1,000.
Well, that
I
looks
bought
damn
that-
nice though.
I
You
bought
did
that
good.
for $30 at Home Depot.
Yeah.
And this one here, I think I'm just going to put a wire in here, like
Yeah.
expanded metal.
Tougher. I
Yeah.
like that.
Well, just for the air.
Yep.
But yeah, I
That's
bent
a-
it right here. It went in right here and bent the fucking door like that. And both these windows just went.
Fuck.
It's down on that lower trail as you go into the bottom. Let's go. You're going to get.
Yeah. Do you want this door closed?
No need.
Okay. Okay.
I guess I could close it too. It's a little warped still, but it works.
Nice job. I would never, wouldn't
You
have.
know what? The stuff that was on here, it was a bitch, but I took a chisel, and this chisel, I want to paint this.
The
all black.
adhesive?
Yeah.
Okay. You really did a nice, I'm impressed. You cut it so smooth and the holes are like professional.
Ha. You know what that is? Sneeze guard.
Right?
With the
That's what it is.
plexiglass. I looked all over in Home Depot. I went to Illumicide.
Okay.
They wanted $300
For glass.
fucking window.
Oh
Just
my
that
God.
window.
Wow.
So I went to Home Depot. You can buy a whole big sheet for $40 or $50. And I went, nah. And so I'm walking along, and they had this whole stack in one of those bins, a sneeze guard.
Sneeze
$30.
guard. Wow.
Bingo.
Perfect excavator window. Okay, I'll see. For Geneva's, I'm gonna come in the first road, so I'm facing downhill.
If you want.
Okay. Alrighty. Cool, cool. Got it loaded. Little interruption with the neighbors, but we're rolling. All right, just running down this hill here, Kaiviki Road. It's one of the steeper downhills. So I got her in first gear, And here, I'll bring you in closer. First gear, we're cruising down this sucker at about 15 miles an hour. Nice and slow. Chain binders were pretty nice. Only threw one on there right now because the back of the X is basically hanging off the rear. So anyway, I like the speed binders. Definitely, it's going to be nice though for multiple tie down points, being able to just open and close with that with the drill. So on our way to the next job. See you there for the unload. So we're off the highway now. We're pulling up this little hill to the next job. Looking good back there. So coming up here is the fence that we just finished. I'm gonna be doing a video of us clearing this whole fence line. Here's the finished product though. Nice looking fence. Really nice. Gate in the center. Nice. So if they bulldoze the next lot, I can see. Wow, they're clearing this. All right, so the next property up there with the house is where we're dropping the machine. I like this new head mount. It's a lot better than the strap going on my hat right here. It's a little bit to get used to, but I like it better than the strap. All right, got in here, no problem. What? The tires fell? Oh, no. Whoops. Oh, ripped my new shirt. Over here.
Right inside here.
Aha, got it.
The other one's on the ground too.
Yep, already got it. Oh, jacks. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Good to go. Looks good, straight back. Blade. Yep. Good to go. You want these in your truck?
Well, we gotta have that. Go ahead. Go.
Okay. Thanks, bud. I got it. Thanks so much.
Fuck. Well, if we left it at 14, we would have took the first two wires out at the birdhouse. As soon as you got on Kabiki Road, there was two wires we missed by 6 feet.
Really?
Yeah. And then...
Where were they crossing the road?
Yeah, crossing the road.
Holy shit.
Okay. One trip you need to watch.
I'm not even looking for that.
Yeah, when you see that, the wires come from the post and they go down like this.
Yeah.
Move over into the other lane.
Okay.
You watch the wires as you're driving on the road. You see the wires coming down? Move over to the other lane. That'll give you clearance.
Okay.
And sometimes
So
low.
the wire spot was on Kaiviki though. Oh man.
And then the camp. When you came to the camp, Wainaku at the gym,
Yeah.
you would have took all the wires out in that one if it had been 14.
Fuck. Gnarly.
So, but if you had moved over into the up lane coming up,
Right. The
you
opposite.
missed them all.
Okay.
So you gotta watch that.
But watch that, but don't even ever run it that high.
No.
That's just too dangerous.
No. In fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, I'll make a thing and a piece of PVC bent like this, and I'll make it so it snaps onto the thing up there. So if you do hit,
It slides.
It'll just go over.
Okay, I see.
That's what we used to do.
Because like none of those, I mean, I guess with the big machine, they lower the boom down so that it's not too tall.
Right.
Because dang, it's like you think this small machine isn't gonna be that tall, but
Here.
oh, thank you.
That's gas money.
What's this for?
That's the key to the tractor in case sometimes I'm not gonna.
This tractor.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put this on my keys.
Put that on your keychain.
Got it. Thank you.
Enough?
Plenty. Thank you
Okay.
so much, bud.
Yeah, no, you too.
Get back home before the quarantine police get me.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm gonna put this in here. Man, they bulldozed that whole lot over here.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
They need to mow it though now.
What they could do with that little mop camper.
Yeah.
You know, they got to take all the pumps out of there. That's all there is to it. Like all these, I'm gonna dig all these pumps out of here. This is a whole nightmare right here.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
But at least you got this machine to do it.
later.
Okay, cool, bud. Have a good day.
Thanks.
Yep. Awesome. You have the bucket right there?
Yeah.
I didn't even notice. Looking good. All right, chocks. Check out this view, man. What a view, right? Got unloaded. Time to head home. Man, though, another lesson learned, man. I don't know what was caught on film, but we had the mulcher and the boom all the way up in the highest position, and Bud took the time to measure it out. I have hauled it that tall before, and I should show you guys this view while I'm talking. Anyway, I've hauled it this tall before at over 14 feet, and so I thought it would be fine, but I never hauled in that route at 14 feet. Could have been a huge mistake, but I'm sure you caught him there at the end saying I would have taken out main power lines at the Y, at the top of the Wainaku hill, and I would have taken out another spot too. And it's like hitting anything is not an option. So important to know 12-foot tall height max. You know, it's like you can't. 11.6 is the very, very top. I won't even go near the 12 because power lines hang lower than they're supposed to and stuff. Check out this view. Look at those beautiful grasslands. Gosh, it's nice up here. But anyhow, you hear what my point is. It's way too close. You gotta know, like, you gotta measure for height. It's just something that I think, oh, it's fine, but I don't actually have the numbers understanding. What's the lowest power line? I don't know. And how tall am I? I don't know. That's not good. So, gotta know the height of what you're hauling. It sounds obvious. It sounds like this is I mean, it's basic stuff, but I'm learning, you know, shooting from the hip here. So I'm glad that Bud was able to correct me there, and he decided to lower the boom down a bit so that we were down under 12 foot, and that made all the difference. So that's the lesson for the day. Know height, especially if you're on a route, you know, that you haven't pulled this machine before. You gotta especially double check height and be watching. Also, I'm watching my tires here in the rear view mirror, but I'm not watching up above. You know, I can tell you honestly, I was not watching the top of the boom. I would just go right into the wires and see it all, the mess behind me, and be having a real oh shit moment. So, lesson learned. Look at this nice driveway. Beautiful places, right? What a beautiful place to work. Oh, this is a culvert we dug. We brought the excavator down here and dug this trench, and looks like he laid the culvert in the pipe there down to this drainage. I got somebody coming. I gotta get out of the way here. Nice palms and horses. All right, I'm gonna stop down here and blow out the trailer just to get all the extra shit out of there, and then we'll go home clean. Call it for the day. I just like to blow out the trailer while I'm not at home because of fire ants. We got little fire ants here on the island, and we don't have them at the farm at home, so we like to keep it that way. Howdy. A good old farmer. I just realized some of you mainlanders are probably like, whoa, what is that fruit? It's a guava. Pink guava. They grow like weeds here. Some of that dirt can hold fire ants, and all it takes is a little bit to get them home, and we're infected. So I'd rather drop that shit out here on the road. Oh, that missing door just hurts my heart. I don't like it when it's not up to par. Looks like we're losing a little washer here. So that tells me these washers are loose. Thought they were part of it. See, these are so tight on there. Anyways, done for the day. I'm gonna put these washers with the bolts that I have saved. Oh gosh. I have my bolts for that door right here saved. When I fix my door, got my hardware right there. Don't want to lose those bolts. All right, ready to rock. Successful haul. Speed binders are badass. I definitely like how quick that is. All right, headed home. Maybe I'll have my burger that lovely Haley made for me while I make my way back. Let's see what we got. Woo! Burger with some nice big pickles on it. That's gonna make a killer lunch. Throw it up here in the oven for a little bit. All right, anyhow, thanks for coming along, guys, for that little haul. Kind of uneventful, depends who you are. A little bit eventful. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching. Aloha. Hi, good boy. Hi, sweetie love. How are you, sweetie? Thank you, babe. Good, just real smooth, and everything went well, nice and easy. Yeah, I mean, it was some close. I'll tell you about it, but luckily Bud decided to lower the excavator. We would have ripped down all the power lines. Yeah, so I learned the importance of understanding the height, you know. It would be a super big mistake if I rip power lines down. I don't even know who pays for that kind of mistake, but we don't want to find out. Yeah, because I hauled it that tall to Brock's house, but that's on the highway, so there's no power lines. But I never drove down Kaiviki with it that tall, and there's power lines crossing the road all the way up Kaiviki. So if it's up, it's too tall. 14 feet, the limit is 12. Yeah. So,
did you guys have to stop?
no, before Bud was like, do you think that's too tall? And I was like, no. And then I got sidetracked by the neighbors, and he got the measuring tape out and saw that it was 14 feet. So he was like, that's too tall, let's lower it.